Hi, I'm Tony Crimus. This is another very well-known popular song. It's only got two chords, Deep in the Heart of Texas. It's one that I include in my absolute beginner's tutor play guitar to practice moving between two chords. It was first recorded by Alvino Ray and his orchestra in 1941, and it's been recorded by over 60 artists, including Gene Autry, Bing Crosby, Ray Charles, Vera Lynn, and there are instrumental versions by lots of others. It was written in 1942 by June Hershey, with music by Don Swandler, and in that year there were 5 versions of the song in the Billboard charts, with 3 of them in the top 10. In the middle of World War II, it was banned because it was so jaunty and effective that they thought that factory workers would down their tunes to sing and clap along with the melody. The stars at night are big and bright, deep in the heart of Texas. The prairie skies wide and high, deep in the heart of Texas. The sage in bloom is like perfume, deep in the heart of Texas. Reminds me of the one I love, deep in the heart of Texas. Cowboys cry, yippee-yi-yi, deep in the heart of Texas. The doggies bowl and bowl all, deep in the heart of Texas, deep in the heart of Texas, deep in the heart of Texas.